Hi, in today's video I'm gonna talk to you and give you a review of this Ryobi surface cleaner for pressure washers. Hello again. So in the package it's very simple. You just get this attachment and we got an instruction. This part has two nozzles, the angled and the spins. There are no wheels, there's just a little brushing thing, and this swivels basically 90 degrees. I assume it would be better to use it with the extender because the gun is usually short, and so I have this driveway. It's really not too bad. So I'm gonna clean this, and there are a couple of other spots on the outside that I'm gonna clean, and we'll see how this works. I have a Ryobi 1700 psi electric pressure washer. This is designed for only electrics. You can see right here. So don't use it with the much more powerful because plastic parts with RP are gonna be damaged. Use it only with electric ones. So let's see how it works. Without the extender, this is gonna be kind of short, so I don't really like it. So I'm gonna use my extender. That's gonna be, so having an extender I think is gonna be a little bit more ergonomic for my back. It's gonna be easier to push. And then I'm gonna give you the links to the products that I use in this video, like the extender, and I'm also using a special hose. There is a kink free. All those links are on the bottom of the video. So I have to say that working with this extender feels like cheating because it is super easy to push it. I can't imagine if you work without it, because then you're right on top of it, and then if I have that extender, this basically gets pushed always almost totally flat, and then I effortlessly just push it forward, and it works like a charm. So it is super easy to work so far. This area was not really that dirty, so I'm gonna show you a little bit more dirty area. And then the part with the brushes is basically super quiet. There is no sound coming out of it. All you hear is just the sound coming out of your pressure washer machine. Other than that, this works great so far. And I'm gonna get to more dirty area over there in a second. Wow, look at this. I'm doing 2 passes on one spot. Okay, let's just wash it. Let's see how it looks. Alright guys, that's the difference with this Ryobi. I guess conclusion, for a couple of bucks this is a really great tool, and in a matter of 10 minutes I cleaned this entire driveway. So no more just using regular attachments. It will take me an hour or even more of hard work and doing a couple of inches one by one. This is so much easier. All I have to do is just later, so just hold it down, and then whoop, and then we have a nice clean driveway. Alright guys, so that's the end and conclusion of my review. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, subscribe for more, and that Ryobi does work really well. Thanks for watching, goodbye.